Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Canva versus Adobe XD. Figma is a powerful tool for user interface and user experience design, emphasizing real-time collaboration. Canva, on the other hand, is a graphic design platform perfect for creating marketing materials and social media content with ease. Adobe XD specializes in UI/UX prototyping, offering strong integration with the broader Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem. We will explore their unique strengths and ideal applications. Figma provides robust features like auto layout, design systems, and developer handoff, streamlining the design process for complex projects. Canva boasts an extensive library of over 100 million stock photos, videos, and templates, making quick design tasks effortless. Adobe XD excels with its auto-animate, responsive resize, and component states, allowing for highly interactive and dynamic prototypes. Each tool offers distinct advantages for different design needs. Collaboration is key, and Figma truly shines with its real-time co-editing, enabling multiple designers to work simultaneously on a single file. Canva facilitates team sharing and brand kit management, ensuring consistent visual communication across all your projects. Adobe XD integrates seamlessly with other Creative Cloud applications such as Photoshop and Illustrator, creating a powerful and familiar workflow for existing Adobe users. This ecosystem support is a significant benefit. Regarding cost, Figma offers a generous free tier and scalable paid plans for professional teams. Canva also provides a free version, with premium features available through its Pro and Enterprise subscriptions. Adobe XD is typically part of the Adobe Creative Cloud, though a limited free starter plan exists. Choose Figma for intricate UI/UX, Canva for marketing graphics, and Adobe XD if you are deeply embedded in the Adobe ecosystem. Your project's needs will guide your choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.